Hi, this is Mark Montross from Catamount Realty Group. Today we're here at 84 Westwood Parkway in Barre. We're here to view this fantastic ranch home. Let's go ahead and take a look around the outside. As you can see here, it's very well maintained. Got a nice little area for the neighborhood. Just gonna go ahead and take a scan around. Got some mature landscaping. Let's go ahead and we'll take a look around the back side of the house. Give you a nice little view. You're also close to downtown areas for shopping, grocery shopping. It only takes about 5 minutes to get on the interstate, so it's really convenient. You've got a fenced-in backyard, so if you have children or pets, another great place to enjoy the area. Plenty of tree coverage back here too, so you get some nice shaded areas here. As you can see, you've got a small deck off on the back side. So really, it's a beautiful space. So now that we've seen a little bit of the outside, let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, so here we have the inside of the house. When you first come in, you're gonna notice you have this really nice, large living room area, great floor plan. As you can see here too, you've got the bay window, allows plenty of natural lighting. As you can see here too, just walking around, it's really very open. You've got an eat-in kitchen, lots of cabinet space through here. Just gonna give you a nice scroll around so you can get a really good view of the space. The owner has taken very good care of the space. And let's go ahead, you've got 3 bedrooms here with a bathroom. So off to your right, we're gonna have the full bathroom, as you can see. And then we're gonna come over here and we've got one of the bedrooms. And again, you've got some nice newer windows in through here. Here's a button. And then you're gonna have the second bedroom. And again, plenty of space. And of course over here, we're gonna have the third bedroom. And let's go through and take it downstairs. What's nice there is that you've got both a finished space and an unfinished space. It's also a walkout too, so it's great. If you wanted to completely finish it off, you could. You have that walkout space, it'd be awesome. So we come down through here. As you can see, plenty of space. As you can tell, using it as kind of a family room. And then you have this unfinished space over here. And again, you could potentially finish this off as well if you wanted to. And there's your boiler. You get the hot water tank, and over in the corner you got central vac. And then there's your door that leads out to the back. And it's also heated down, as you can see by the pipes here, the radiator, so it actually is heated down here. Just a great space. We've got a storage closet over there, and also has the staircase as well. Let's go back up upstairs. What's nice too is that you're very close to town. And then you get this cute breezeway through here. It's great for 3-season use, as you can see. You got plenty of parking outside, so if you want to entertain. Nice little deck off to the back, and you got a great yard. Beautiful part too is that it's all wooded back here, so it gives you some really nice privacy. And then finish it off here, you've got this great oversized 2-car garage. Just an amazing space. So again, this is 84 Westwood Parkway in Barre. Any questions, give us a call. You can reach us here at 802-825-1353. Or you can go on our website at catamountrealtygroup.com, and there you'll find the Matterport 3D tour and lots of information. Look forward to hearing from you.